barumsi keenya kanarraatis AI itti fayyadamuudhaan Ingiliffaa haa barannu jedha. Imagine yookiin immoo yaadaan AI wajjin konkolaataa keessa seennee magaalaa Aawaday keessa deemu jirra jennu. So otuma deemnu konkolaataa dhaabuudhaan waan tokko gaafanna jechoota yookiin immoo maqaalee adda addaa gaafanna. Akkasuma maqaalee barreessan immoo hima gaggabaabaa itti deebisnee ijaarra jechuudha. So amma xumura viidiyoo kanaan faana turaadha. Amma haa eegallu. Do you see anything now?
I see a busy street scene with people and vehicles. What would you like to know about it?
This is one of the Ethiopian city called Aawaday. So we are going to visit this city together. Are you ready for that?
I'm ready. Aawaday looks really lively with the market and all the people. What should we check out first?
Okay. What do you see now? For example, what do you see here?
In this frame, there's a white Isuzu truck on the left side of the street with people walking nearby and some standing on the truck bed. On the right, a blue and white auto rickshaw is partially visible.
How do you describe this crowd? What do you call this in English?
This is a bustling street scene with a lively crowd of pedestrians and various vehicles, including a truck and an auto rickshaw.
All right. What is this?
A person on the back of the white Isuzu truck is carrying a large load.
Okay, you're talking about this guy?
Yes, I meant the person who is stepping off the back of the white Isuzu truck and carrying a large bundle on his shoulders.
So this guy is carrying a tree called cart, okay?
Ah, I see. So he is carrying a bundle of caught leaves.
So akam janna, this guy is carrying a bundle of cart, okay? This guy is carrying a bundle of cart. Kana jechuun namichi kuni gurmuu isarratti maal fe'atee jira? Jimaa akka malee guddaa ta'e tokko qabatee jira jechuudha.
That's right. He's carrying a large bundle of caught leaves on his shoulders as he walks through the busy street.
Can you tell me what exactly this bundle means?
A bundle is a collection of things held or tied together, like the large amount of caught leaves the man is carrying on his shoulder.
So bundle means a large amount of things, right?
Not just a large amount, but things that are tied or held together. Think of it as a package or a bunch.
All right. So bundle of something means wanta walirra hidhame kaayame guddaa tokko jechuudha. So this guy is carrying a bundle of cart. Namichi kuni jimaa guddaa hidhameen deemu jira jechuudha. So akkas jennee ibsuu dandeenya jechuudha gocha kana. Itti hafuufnume magaalaa keessaa deddeemnu.
Exactly. He's carrying a single large bundle. I'm ready for the next part of our tour whenever you are.
How do you describe these people?
The people in the crowd seem quite diverse in age, with a lively energy and a mix of traditional and modern clothing, especially the women wearing colorful scarves.
So we call this thing a scarf, right?
Yes, that's correct. Many of the women are wearing colorful scarves draped over their heads and shoulders.
Is it a scarf or a scar?
It's called a scarf. Many women wear them draped elegantly over their heads and shoulders.
Okay, so what is the difference between a scar and a scarf?
A scar is a mark left on the skin after a wound heals. A scarf is the piece of clothing people wear around their neck or over their heads.
Okay, can you keep it silent for a while because I need to explain this thing, okay?
Understood. I will be silent while you explain it to your student.
So wanti amma ani gaafadde kuni wanti kun scar jedhamu scarf jedhama jedheetiin gaafadde fooxaa jechuudha. Fooxaa jechuun afaan Ingiliffaatiin scarf jedhama ana jechuudha. Scar jechuun immoo qaamni keenya yoo madaa'e kan boodarra hafsan xabaasaa yookaan immoo maal jedhanii afaan Oromootiin heena jedhaniin jechuudha. So let's continue now. So inni kun maal jedheetiin gaafadhe rakshaa jedhamti yookiin immoo tuktuk jedhamti jedhe biyyoota Arabatti akkas jedhamtee amamti. Okay, waan itti aanu alaallume.
Exactly. You can call it either a rickshaw or a tuk-tuk.
I need to know the exact meaning of car, vehicle. Okay, what is the difference between car and vehicle?
A vehicle is any machine used for transporting people or goods, like cars, trucks, and bikes. A car is a specific type of vehicle designed primarily for carrying passengers.
Can you repeat that?
Certainly. A vehicle is any machine used for transporting people or goods, such as cars, trucks, and bikes. A car is a specific type of vehicle designed primarily for carrying passengers.
So, vehicle is any kind of machine, right? That can transport people from place to place.
That's exactly right. A vehicle is any machine used to transport people or goods from place to place.
Let me explain this for my audience or for my student first, okay?
Understood. Take your time explaining it.
Artificial intelligence kana maalin jedheen garaagarummaan jecha vehicle jedhamtuu fi car jedhamtu jidduu jiru maalin jedheen lachuutu makiinaa yookiin konkolaataa hiikni isaati. So vehicle yeroo jennu maashinuma tokko kan namaan deemu waan makiinaallee of keessaa qabaatu danda'a. Isee car jennuun of keessaa qabata jechuudha. Car jechuun ishee namaan deemtu bakka irraa bakkatti nama ooftu jechuudha. Okay? Vehicle yeroo jennu general yookiin immoo wanta of keessatti konkolaataalee qabatu jechuudha. Maqaa walii galaatii jechuu dandeenya jechuudha. Vehicle ka jennu kana. Okay? So kanaaf garaagarummaan isaanii kana jechuudha. Tokko specific car yeroo jennu. Wait, let me finish. Car yeroo jennu kaariin inninu specific dha jechuudha. So kanaaf kamtu generalidha. Vehicle jechuutu vehicle inni jedhu generalidha. So garaagarummaan isaanii kana jedhe akkasitti haasofna jechuudha. Fakkeenya gabaabaa tokko nu kanneen jedhan waa'ee kaarii fi waa'ee vehicle-dha. Here I'm going to ask you two things. My student need to know, okay, two short sentences, from both vehicle and car.
Two examples of vehicles are buses and bicycles. Two examples of cars are sedans and SUVs.
So fakkeenyi vehicle-dha maal jedhe baasaa fi saayikilaa jedhe kanneen hundinuu waan nama tokko bakka irraa fuudhee bakkatti nama geessu waan ta'eef vehicle jennaan jechuudha. Okay, vehicle. Kan biraa, hey, we are watching the city, and whenever we come across to something new, we are going to deal with this thing, or we're going to discuss about that thing. So are you with me?
I'm right here with you and ready to continue. What new things are we spotting now?
Yeah, we are coming towards something new. Let me stop the video and show you. What is this? Like you are seeing something from the distance.
I see a tall structure in the distance, which looks like the minaret of a mosque. Are we continuing to explore the city?
Wait, so we're coming to the mosque, right?
Yes, we are approaching what appears to be a mosque, as indicated by the minaret.
So this is called minara in Arabic. So how do you call this, or how do we call this in English?
That tall tower is called a minaret in English. It's a key feature of a mosque's architecture.
Is that minara? What did you say?
That tower is called a minaret.
Minaret? Am I right? Minaret?
Yes, that's right. It's called a minaret.
So it is called minaret, right? Minaret jechun minara jechuudha. So it is called in English minaret. Am I right?
You're completely right. It's called a minaret in English.
Good. We learned something now.
It's great that we're learning new things together. Ready to continue our tour, or do you have something else in mind?
This compound is made up of what? Made up of metal sheet. What do we call this one?
The walls or fencing you see on the left, which are made of metal sheets, are typically called corrugated metal panels or corrugated iron sheets.
Can you say that again?
Yes, corrugated iron sheet is completely correct and very commonly used to describe those types of sheets.
So we say this is called corrugated iron, right?
That's it, corrugated iron. It's the perfect term for those metal sheets.
So what is metal sheet then?
Metal sheet is a broad term for any flat piece of metal, whereas corrugated iron is a specific type of metal sheet that's been pressed into a wavy pattern for strength.